And this question is given that the vectors from origin to the point A and B are mentioned over here. The area of triangle OAB is. So just try to understand the question. Let's say we are having a point A, another point, take it as B, and this is nothing but our OA vector, and this is AB vector, and this is our another vector, take it as OB vector. So, and our aim is to find out the value of area of triangle OAB. Means our aim is to find out the area of this triangle. So how will find out the value of area of a triangle? We know that area of triangle is something but half of magnitude of vector product of any two sides. That means suppose if I am going for a OA vector cross OB vector by 2 is going to give the value of magnitude of area of triangle formed by OA vector and OB vector. So what we'll do is we need to find out the cross product of these vectors, A vector and B vector. So we can write A vector cross B vector is equal to, we can write I, J, K. A is 3 minus 6 and plus 2. B component is 2, 1 and minus 2. Now if you are taking their cross product, we can write this as I cap into, you can observe that this is 6 into minus 2 is going to be 12 minus, you can observe that this 2 into 1, this is going to be 2 minus j cap into this, we can observe that 3 into 2, that is minus 6 minus 2 into 2, that is equal to 4 plus k cap into, we can observe that this 3 into 1, which is 3 minus 6 into 2, which is minus 12. So we can write this is going to be plus 12. So 12 minus 2, which is 10 I cap minus 10 minus j, so it's going to be plus 10 j cap, and this is going to be plus 15 k cap. This is the value of A vector cross B vector. Now we can find out what is the magnitude of this A cross B. So magnitude of this A cross B is going to be nothing but under root of its x component square, which is 100, plus y component square 100 plus z component square, that is 225. So we can write this as 225, 325 and 425, 425 under root. This under root of 425 can be written as something but 25 into 17, and root of 25 we can take it as 5, so this can be written as 5 root 17. So 5 root 17 is the value of magnitude of A cross B, but our aim is to find out the value of area of triangle. Area of triangle is half of magnitude of this A cross B. So we can write that is equal to 5 root 17 divided by 2.